now he's saying, actually, if you want to attain God, the best sadhana, the best marg is bhakti marg. Bhakti is transcendental. What is bhakti marg? I think it's best that you go home and follow the bhakti marg. It's better you hear about me, Vishnu, Krishna Shravanam. It's better you chant my glories, Krishna Kirtanam, Krishna Jap, Krishna Kirtan, Nam Jap, Guna Kirtan. And it's better that you do smaran, and you do dhyanam. You should meditate on me and remember me. And then to facilitate that remembrance and to focalize and concentrate your mind, you should establish some murti puja. You should make some murti of me, archa vigraha, and do some puja and offer some agrabati and some deepam and bhog. That is a good thing for you, gopis. You should all go home and follow bhakti yoga. Of course, this is a very nice recommendation for conditioned souls, nitya baddha jivas like us who are bound by our material desires and our layers and layers of karma and unfulfilled hankerings and ambitions. But the gopis, they're siddha. They're nitya siddha or sadhana siddha. Perfect beings. Totally, absolutely liberated. They're all mumukshus. They're muktas. They're all liberated. They don't need to do any more bhakti yoga.